Sånt ska heta i Mannilantie eteen. Sitä kessiä.
Let's see if it was also built in 1975. The capacity is 4 or 325 grams. This looks amazing. Still original, yeah. And it was built in 1979 actually, strange. It's so early. And the serial number is H41805. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. So it actually turned 40 years old in last year, 2019. Amazing find. But strange that there's a 4-year difference between that door and this elevator.
Yeah.
So as much as 4 years. Well, they probably used something that was still available in 1979.
Yeah.
Might be the reason. And then this was built maybe in early 1979.
Yeah.
Quite simple, but amazing. We can take another ride. I might press it now. This time. Yep.
Det back i vejnsbetændt med den barsinler.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like the lace. Thank you very much for watching.
That's